In gardens and farms where vegetables grow, let's share a short poem for kids to know. Carrots are orange, they're crunchy and sweet, good for your eyes, a tasty treat. A broccoli is green like little trees, full of vitamins, it's sure to please. Tomatoes are red in salads or stew, versatile and tasty, they're good for you. To corn on the cob with butter and salt, a summery delight, it's never your fault. Potatoes in many ways they're prepared, mashed, fried or baked, they're loved and cared. Why spinach is leafy, it makes you strong. Eat your greens, you can't go wrong. All eggplants purple, in dishes they shine, grilled or fried they taste divine. Peppers of colors in salads they gleam, crunchy and fresh like a...
Subscribe for more videos.